bed, no games, no play. We peeped through windows, sighed and said, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We want sunshine, not this gray. Rain, rain, go away.
Even Piglet in the hay wouldn't snort or splash today. He stayed warm and dry instead.
Rain, rain, go away.
Even Piglet in the hay wouldn't snort or splash today.
He stayed warm and dry instead. Rain, rain, go away. Cow stood still inside her shed, dreaming of the grass ahead, wishing clouds would drift away. Rain, rain, go away. Moon behind the clouds so tight didn't shine its silvery light. Stars were hiding far away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We want puddles gone today. Rain, rain, go away.
Shops all shut and streets are still. No sweet treats, no carts to fill. Nothing cheerful on display.
Rain, rain, go away. We didn't put our shoes on tight. No books or backpacks came in sight. No goodbyes or fun, hooray. Rain, rain, go away.
Park was puddles, mud and mess. Slide too wet and swing a wreck. We just watched the water spray.
Rain, rain, go away. Puppy yawned and curled up tight, too damp outside to chase or bite. No fetch, no run, no tail wag play. Rain, rain, go away.
Clothes hung under shady space, still too soggy, no drying grace. Waiting for the sun to stay.
Rain, rain, go away. Rain,